All right, so we're gonna start working with the gamepad in this one. As you've probably seen in here, you can actually just get the gamepad. There is one kind of pre-built into this one that we can use, and you get access to all this stuff down here, like we've been using. Well, we used just in the past one, but you might also want to be able to plug your controller into there, either one in at GAN, or if you have one at home, you might want to get one working with that. So let me show you how you can get a physical controller to work with this if you so choose. You definitely don't really need to, but it's good practice getting ready for actually doing the robot. Again, this requires a little bit more configuring than in other cases. So let's go into here. We're going to click on, we want to open up our project. So mine's kind of hidden. Maybe you already have your project open. If it got hidden, you might have to click on this little folder thing. And let's expand it out a little bit. And we are going to look for, well, I already have it open here. But you're going to look for controller. We're going to scroll down, we need SRC, and then virtual robot config. We open up the config file, and we're going to look for just one little value we have to change. It's right here. Public static final boolean use virtual gamepad is currently set to, oh, is mine set to be true? Oh, yeah, because it's using a virtual gamepad, right? So that's the one that appears on the screen. If we change this thing to be false, just have to do that, and we have to make sure that we save it. So we're going to say file save. Let's say save all, I guess is fine. And then let's go back into here. Let's go back to we can go back to running one of our games. Let's hit play. As we run this, now when we open up, say, test demo init start, you have your control pad here. What you'll have to do is, well, if you're a MacBook, you'll have to have already pressed the logic and A to log in. But for anybody, in order to get the controller to work, you need to hit start and A. So start and A. Start A. And then we should have access to, oh, you can see, I know this is working because whenever I press A on mine, you can see the timer resetting. Okay, so that's one thing. I'll just leave that. I'll make this as just a small video for setting that up, and then we'll talk about using this to get the telemetry data. Actually, you can probably figure out getting the telemetry data at this point. Using what we kind of know from simulations, but anyways. We're going to do the gamepad thing, getting the gamepad telemetry data to show up. That'll be our next task here.